Put your shirt on. Go away. Lay down. Whoa, okay. Thank you. So, let's say she's my patient and she needs max assist to roll. And I'm going to be doing my auscultation. Again, in this position, I can do all of my anterior lung fields. I can do my lateral lung fields. I just can't do the posterior. So for me to do the posterior, what I would have to do, if I'm going to roll her towards me, I got to make sure that there's enough space between where she is and the end of the plinth. And quite honestly, I think that there's probably enough. If there wasn't, I would walk over here. Now, play the role, max assist, don't help me. Well, what's max assist? 25%? I do 75% of this. So I'm going to move her in segments. I'm going to put my hands on her. Okay? So she helped a little, 25%. Okay? So now she's safe. I can walk away from her. In the hospital setting, I would have the bed rail up. Okay? I walk to the other side. We now bend one leg, grab your hands, reach across your body, and we roll. I can auscultate here. Okay? Kind of hard to get down to here, so maybe what I'll do is roll her on this side, do everything here. I can get the lateral segment, I get the posterior segments. Roll her back to me. Move her over to the other side, and then roll her. You should practice that, okay? Yeah. This way. Yeah.
Any information that you find pertinent with your auscultations or exams in general, who does that go to? Is that just for you or for?
So if I'm doing a complete pulmonary exam, wherever I've heard an abnormal breath sound, meaning where it should be vesicular, it's not. I'm documenting that in my note, okay? And that's then going to cause me, all right, what do I need to do next? Because I'm going to suggest to you, if, when you auscultate the lungs, if where you expect vesicular, you get vesicular. Where you expect bronchovesicular, you get it. Do I then need to go do tactile fremitus? Do I need to do voice sound assessment? No. Breath sounds are normal. You can stop there. But I've made note, and let's say her right lower lobe lateral segment, I heard inspiratory and expiratory crackles. So it looks like a duck. Let's see if it quacks like a duck. I'm going to roll this up. I'm going to tuck this in here, okay? Really?
I'm sorry. She's
Keep giggling.
ticklish.
So, immediate percussion. Shh, listen. Dense resonant sound. Okay? If she had inspiratory and expiratory crackles, remember when I put the kind of chart up here, the different exams? If someone has inspiratory and expiratory crackles and I do medial percussion, I'm almost predicting what? A thud. Medial percussion, thud. Okay? Tactile fremitus. I would lay my hands on both sides and ask her to say 99.
99.
If she had what I think she has, what would I get?
Vibration.
More vibration on this side compared to the other. If I put my hands on her and asked her to take a breath in, what would I expect on this side versus the other? Less lobar motion. So now, looks like a duck, it's quacking like a duck.
It's a duck.
She's got an infiltrate. Okay? She's got an infiltrate. She's got a collection of fluid in her lung. Pneumonia, for example, could cause this. All right? So that was immediate percussion. The voice sounds are just using the stethoscope.
My question is, you do the voice sounds on every segment, or
No.
which ones you expect? Or there's specific
Again,
ways?
if your
You
breath
find an
sounds is
issue.
normal,
You don't need to do it.
you're done. So breath sounds are kind of the screen. And then if I want to ensure, if I ask her to say E,
You would hear A.
I would hear A. That would be positive egophony or abnormal egophony. She says 99. What should I hear under normal circumstances? Muffled 99. If she's got fluid in her lung, sound travels well through a fluid-filled environment. Remember the whales? That would be positive bronchophony. If I ask her to whisper 1, 2, 3, I shouldn't hear anything through my stethoscope. But I hear it. It's not going to be like my voice 1, 2, 3. It'll be 1, 2, 3. You can hear it. You shouldn't. Whispering, pectorally are all abnormal, or if we want to say positive, you could say it that way. So, mediate percussion, tactile fremetus, lobar motion. I think that's all that I've taught you, yeah? We did breath sounds.
No, I'm just going with the steps of how you do it. Like
Breath sounds should be first. Then since you're there, you might as well do voice sounds, right?
You hear something.
You hear something, do mediate percussion. All right, so now let's change the scenario, right? Let's see if you can go down the line.